welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you a beautiful Kurti Kurta neckline, and to make this neckline I have marked the shoulders, armhole and the side. Now I'm going to go with the neckline depth. So the neckline depth is going to absolutely depends upon you. So I'm just going to keep the neckline depth like a 6.5 inches from the top, and it's going to be a V neckline. So connecting this point and this point, you're going to make a beautiful V. So just like that, you're going to place the scale like this, and you're going to draw a V like this. And now I'm going to cut into this. Okay, so take the interfacing canvas, and now I'm going to interface the neckline. So make sure that the folded edge of the interfacing canvas matches the folded edge of your fabric like such, and you're going to draw the same on the interfacing canvas. So you're going to draw the same neckline on top of this interfacing canvas, and you're going to cut this out. Once it's done, just take out the interfacing canvas like this, margin amount of interfacing canvas all around, and you're going to cut the same again. Okay, and just cut it like such. Now I'm going to press this V neckline on a piece of fabric, and then I'm going to attach that to my neckline, and I'll be giving some beautiful lace to make this neckline to look a little bit pretty and grand. So let me show you how to do that. You can see I have pressed this interfacing canvas on a piece of fabric like this, and I'm going to attach this to my neckline. So before that, from the starting point of the neckline, I'm going to mark 4 inches and again a 4 inches. Okay, and again I'm going to divide that 4 inches for 2 inches. I'm going to make like a diamond shape with the lace, so that I'm just making a mark. So the height is going to be again 2 inches. So from that center point I'm marking the 2 inches, and if I join the line, it would be really clear for you what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to join this 4-inch line to the center point like such, and this is how it's going to look. So I'm going to make a 2 diamond shape like this. So with the help of a tracing wheel, I'm going to trace this to the next side. Just run the tracing wheel on the exact pattern that you have drawn, so that the impression of this one is going to fall on the next side. So little by little, just run the tracing wheel on the fabric, and if I turn to the next side, and hope you can see this, a beautiful diamond shape like this. So I'm going to attach a 2 different color lace to this diamond shape to finish off this neckline. So when I open, it's going to look really beautiful like this. And now I'm going to attach this interfacing canvas to my neckline. So before attaching the interfacing canvas, I'm going to fold the raw edge on top of my interfacing canvas, and then I'm going to attach this to the neckline. So once it's ready, I'm going to place this to the pretty side of the fabric, and I'm going to pin it on the exact center point of the V, and I'm going to sew that from one side to another side like this. So when you get into that V point, make sure that you put the needle in and turn the fabric out to the next side. So you can see I'm just placing the needle in, and I'm flipping the fabric, and I'm sewing to the next side like this. Once it's done, I'm going to cut a notch inside, and I'll be turning this interfacing canvas to the wrong side of the fabric, and I'll be putting a top stitch to secure the interfacing in. Okay, so little by little I'm going to sew into the V again. So when I get into the meeting point of the V, and I'm going to put the needle in, again I'm going to turn the fabric to go to the next side of the V. So this is how I finish my neckline, by adding the interfacing. So once it's done, I'm going to attach the lace to this. So this is a 1-inch wide lace. You can take any kind of lace as you have. So I just took a 1-inch lace. So starting from the neckline, it's going to go all the way down at the exact meeting point of the diamond shape. I'm going to mark that, and I'll be folding that in a neat way to get the exact diamond shape, and I'm going to continue sewing that. Make sure you fold that in a very neat way, because that's going to give a nice shape to the diamond. And now you can see I'm just going to sew all the way down, and again I'm going to give a fold over this point to go down again. Okay, now we can see I'm just twisting the lace like this, and I'm going to sew down. So when I get to the end point, I'll be chopping the lace, leaving a marginal amount, and you can see it's done. So again I'm going to do the same to the next side. Just fold the raw edge and place the raw edge on the chopped edge of the lace like this, and you're going to start sewing from one end, and you're going to sew up to another end. So at the place of the points, make sure you fold that like this, and I'm going to sew on top of the lace. So even a plain fabric will look really grand and really beautiful if you add these kind of lace. I took 1-inch lace. You can take a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch lace, which goes well with the neckline. And again I'm going to go to the next side like this. So once I have sewn to the one side, now I'm going to sew to the next side of the lace to secure that firm. Okay, so at the turning point I'm just doing a back stitch so that it be secured in, and I'm going to sew the entire lace part like this. So once it's done, I'm going to add a very thin lace which has a golden yellow color in it. It just looks really beautiful, and I'm going to sew at the exact margin like this. So this is going to have a little bit tricky, and same technique, just fold the exact point and it's going to go all the way down like this. Very simple, very beautiful neckline. And now I'm going to sew down. Again, it's going to have a turn like this, and now it's going to go all the way up like this. And that's it, and you can see it just came out really beautiful. So this is going to be the end result. and hope you like this video. And if you like this video and if you want more designer videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So see you next time with a different kind of neckline. Take care. Bye bye.